St. Thomas is a paradise for nature lovers, offering incredible wildlife encounters on land, in the sea, and in the sky. Get ready to explore the island's diverse ecosystems. Visit Coral World Ocean Park for an up-close experience with vibrant marine life. Snorkel among tropical fish, walk through an underwater observatory, or even swim with dolphins. Spot native birds like the brown pelican and red-footed booby at the St. Thomas East End Reserves. Bring binoculars for an unforgettable birdwatching adventure in this protected coastal habitat. Keep an eye out for friendly iguanas basking in the sun near beaches and parks. Take a scenic hike through the island's lush landscapes to discover tropical plants and hidden wildlife. Join an eco-tour to explore untouched natural areas while supporting conservation efforts that protect St. Thomas's unique wildlife. From marine adventures to lush nature trails, St. Thomas offers unforgettable encounters with the island's incredible creatures. Start your wildlife adventure today at www.explorevi.com or email us at info@explorevi.com for expert travel tips and bookings.